Come here. No.
Summer sales event.
Oh. Looks like a bomb.
Nah, he's got to open up on Tuesday. Tuesday's too.
Sit.
Yeah, he can't have it today.
Ivy.
Can't have it until tomorrow. I mean, until Tuesday.
What are you doing?
She don't know.
It's a ticking bomb. It's the excitement of opening it.
Right?
That is not what a bomb sounds like.
All right,
It's
come
the
on.
theme music
Goofy.
to opening it.
Move your nose.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you, Jay. Get the boy some scissors or a knife or something.
It's like a plastic bag.
He's having
You know,
a
I was
hard
looking. He could have tore it right here.
time. Or he could have tore it up there.
I was showing where he could have tore it.
Tear more, faster, go.
He hands it
go.
to James.
Don't blame me, I didn't wrap it.
Go, go, go.
I get it after the wrap.
Do, 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 do,
And I bet you he don't know where that's from. I showed you a spot to tear it.
Why is it so hard?
You don't know what it is yet?
Can you open it?
Come on.
Ivy, back up. Sorry, Jack.
Who the heck wrapped this?
Uncle James did.
It isn't Joel stuff. It is your daddy's style kind of wrapping.
It is. Not yet. He hasn't got it off the box
Oh
yet.
my God.
It's a box!
What is it?
Move, Jax.
That says front, so it must be pointing front.
Yeah, I want to see the front.
The front is towards me.
All right, can we see it though? We want to see it.
Probably the same thing that's on that side.
I see it, I don't see it.
What is it?
I don't see it.
Do you know what it
It's a
is?
box. It's a box. You sure what it is? What is it inside?
The box will get smaller and smaller and smaller
Might
and
be
smaller
something.
and
A box
smaller.
of bricks.
So what's it called?
A box of bricks. A box of bricks.
Might not even be what you think it is.
Right?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Careful with that thing.
Another TV.
Okay, get out of the way.
Another TV.
All right. Ivy, move.
Huh? What is it? What?
Say it loud.
What
I
is
can't
it?
hear back here in the peanut
What kind of
gallery.
monitor?
I don't know.
What do you use it for?
A monitor.
For what?
Now here's a better front.
What are you monitoring? What does it say on there? For your video games? What does it say on the video game
Oh my
monitor?
God, she can
What
wait.
does it say below what does it say below AOC? What's that word?
That is not an A, by the way.
But what is this? Read.
AOC game.
All right, can I see the? Can I get a better picture? Turn it around so I can get a picture of you. There we go.
180.
Get out of the way, Jax.
HD.
There we go. What do you say,
Thank you.
Stop, Jax!
Joseph? What do you say?
Hot. What is this?
The picture quality.
180 is a
What's
pit.
this?
OP.
What's this? The company?
Oh, it's the HDMI where you know that you plug it in.
15R. What is that?
Another big
What is
Tommy.
15R?
Oh, Google it on your phone. Take a picture.
What is 15R?
Can I take a good picture of it, please?
Take a picture of it.
No, he's got-
Oh, can you wait?
That's all you gotta do. Take a picture of
What's this?
I don't know. Picture of it, just, you know, Google. I think that's where you can hook up other links to it. So it's kind of side by side. Make 3 DVDs on it. You just get like a couple more of these.
Don't give him that idea. He'll want more.
No, it's not getting one.
All right, can I get a good picture of it?
What's under this? There's like something about a root getting loose.
Are you sure that's a monitor?
You're like trying to get
Something
loose
else.
under
No, it's a monitor.
It's not.
Looking at
Here.
Probably got enough room in there, so it's gotta have space.
Jax, I'm busy.
Stop!
I'm trying to turn it around. I want to get a picture of you with it.
We're taking pictures every day.
Oh my god. Now you sound like your dad. That's what you sound like, your dad.
This looks like more like the front than the other side.
Can I
It
see,
does, doesn't it?
It does.
Bring the kids out. They're blowing off fireworks. Bring kids out, blowing off fireworks. Oh shit. Yeah. It's out.
What happened?
One went way over here, but it's out.
Hey, y'all be careful.
There's cars coming.
You got mommy's phone? Okay.
It is loud. Those are loud. Ha! It hit me. Is Joel gonna blow off any?
Huh?
Are you gonna blow off any? Okay.
Wait a minute, y'all.
All right, James, wait. It's a pain in the. It might be run out of fluid. Is it? Sorry.
Cars coming.
No.
Ow.
Happy birthday!
Come on, wind.
Happy Halloween!
Stop, Jax. That's old now. What does he think he's cool?
Happy birthday to Thomas Awesome!
Happy birthday, Tom.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mine was in my hand.
What's that blinking?
Hmm?
Street light?
Yeah. Probably got messed up. When this side was all out, all this side was. Ours were on. When everybody lost power, this side was all on. Even Sammy, she didn't lose power.
It was all dark out here because that light was
Yeah.
pitch dark.
So we got a BB gun or shoot? I've been saying that for years. I need to borrow Dave's and shoot out that light.
All these ones will.
What?
But then it'll just hit and explode down here. So
I like those. Yeah, I like those. Hey, Mary. They're not here. They're in Utah. Yeah. Joel had to take him to the airport. When did you have to take T to the airport? Midway was airport. I think it was like Wednesday or Thursday morning. Yeah, I know. We all had power. That side didn't. She didn't have power for like for 2 days straight. Our internet went out. That was about it, but I didn't care. I'd rather have lose internet and still have my electricity. So she kind of hung out at our house. She hung out at our house because she had her electricity was out. Yeah. Yep.
I finished that blanket,
You did? I gotta see it.
except I gotta add more flowers.
Okay.
Because I already showed it to her.
Yeah, I seen it when you showed it to her. I like that one too. This is all their extras from 4th of July.
I'll put more flowers on it tomorrow
Okay.
because I 8 more rows of paper blankets.
Yep.
Exactly, I haven't got bit yet.
Because I'm working on that right now.
Yeah.
Jack, stop saying that.
What did he say?
Happy Halloween.
Back up.
I'm sure you're
Huh? Oh, I know. They do. We've been like this since we moved in here. We've been crazy like this. They're used to it. He's used to it. He ain't even home.
You know, one thing, Kaylee's one cat was going to give me a freaking heart attack. Because I seen it when her dad came. If you're black.
Yeah.
I found her underneath my bed, just in the middle of that. But him, I couldn't find him anywhere. All of a sudden, he pops up by the water dish.
Ah. Cats are crazy like that. You know how T has those monitors in his room? 4th of July, one of the cats knocked over my son's monitor. And
There's a wet spot on the
Time they coming to get Joseph tomorrow.
she hasn't texted me. I don't know. My uncle coming to get my son. Because he's just spent his birthday with him.
Who's going to get him tomorrow?
No, not your grandchildren. I'm talking about my son. My son Joseph. When are they coming back?
I don't know when Kaylee.
Oh, Sunday? Hey, Joel. When is T and Kaylee coming back? That's tomorrow. Are you picking them up? Okay, because Mary was wondering. Okay.
Not like that. No more.
Yeah.
That's why she gave a key to her sister to come by and let the dogs out.
Stay back, Jack.
That's what I was wondering, who was letting the dogs out. And Joel's like, Mary's there. Because I would have went and let the dogs out.
They were all worried about it. Yes.
Well, because at first we were going to...
Pulling me or whatever.
Yeah, and we weren't sure if we were gonna be here this weekend because we were supposed to be in Antioch, but it was just too hot for his parents. So we're probably gonna maybe go next weekend. Depends on how Joel feels. Joel's not feeling right.
No turn.
It turned.
I know.
July always wipes me out.
I understand. They're having some wingding.
Or when he gets back from Vicky's, because he said
That's a good one.
he said he wants to come back on Thursday. That was a good one.
she's got to get on your case about that.
Ceiling. Yeah.
Leaking
That was cool.
Those ones that
through the
It's the USA.
That's the first time
Yeah,
that motherfucker